Okay, I'm cooking the meat. I see the oil. Still cooking it though, so it's gonna be a couple minutes. This is my tutorial. Okay, first time cooking this, so hopefully I do a marvelous job at this because I don't know what I'm doing. But the meat is changing from red to brown, so I think I'm doing good. We'll find out soon. Okay, now I got my skillet cleaned and dried, free of oil. Got my meat nice and brown and tender. I'm going to add the meat back into there. I'm going to add my pre-measured cup of water and milk, both at the same time, I think. Okay, yeah. Now it's mixed. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I think I put maybe too much. I'm going to add the special sauce. Okay. That. Okay. Now we're going to mix this with the mixer of some sort. This. Delicioso. For the main thing, we're going to add our noodles that are still hard. Okay, we're going to cook them. Delicioso. That means delicious, by the way. I'm going to mix it and stir it into my skillet that's nice and prepped. Okay. I have my lid ready right here. And cover it in a shortly. Like that. These noodles are so covered with milk and water that you can't even see them. So they're going to cook really, really good. I hope. Look. Okay. Well, hold on. Oh, gosh. Now we're going to cover it though. Okay. As a surprise, I even did my first time chicken flavored chicken in the oven. It's sizzling. I think it's still good. I'm going to lower this fire, by the way, before I burn it. Okay, we're good. Yum. The food's done. I'm sparkling, and so is my meal. It's right there. I made it for my angel baby. I hope he likes it. And thank you again.